Hi, I'm Tom Baker, Director of Spiritual Care here at Stormont Vail, to talk about spring cleaning for your life. One of my fond memories of growing up at my grandmother's house was spring cleaning after the cold, long, dark winter. We'd open all the windows in the house and let in this fresh spring air. That's a great tip for us, to open up our life to new and exciting possibilities. Join a club or organization that interests you. Do something new and exciting. Learn a skill or learn something new in your life. Don't tell yourself you can't, but tell yourself you can. Of course, I'm not talking about being a daredevil. Keep yourself safe and others safe as well. If you're here in Topeka, go to our great library here or to a library in your community and ask the librarian to get yourself a list of books to read over the spring and summer. Spring is about possibilities, so open yourself up to new possibilities by doing new and exciting things.